Hi, it's Marie-Louise here, the Danish painter. Welcome to my channel where I help landscape painters loosen up their painting style and paint with more confidence. Today I wanted to paint a landscape with a lot of neutralized colors in it. And the inspiration for this was actually from a comment I got on one of my videos from a lady called Sarah. She wrote to me, "I love your use of neutrals. Acrylics can sometimes have a bit of a garish look, and this is something I really want to avoid." And these are exactly the same thoughts I had when I started out in the beginning of my acrylic journey. And for years I really struggled a lot, and I felt that my colors always had a bit of a harsh look to it. So I thought I would like to offer a bit of advice, what you can do to make your colors more neutralized, and also why it's a good idea to use more neutrals in your work. First, a couple of reasons why you might like to use more neutrals in your work. First off, it will make your painting feel more calm. So if that's a look or a feeling you're going for, using a lot of neutrals will really help you do that. Secondly, it's a way for the artist, the painter, to guide the viewer on where to look. So if you have a painting that's predominantly neutral colors, you can add a little bit of pure color near your center of interest to really make the painting pop, and it will make the viewer's eye go exactly where you want them to. And thirdly, when you use a lot of neutrals, your colors are not competing for attention, but instead complementing each other. And this will give a calmer and more harmonized look and feel to your artwork. Now that we've covered some reasons why you might like to include more neutrals, let's talk about how to do it. My absolute favorite way to create more neutralized colors is by adding complementary colors to my mixture. So start by adding a little bit, and then the more complementary color you add, the more neutralized your color will be. If you would like to see a video where I go more in depth on mixing neutral colors, let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in this. The second way I like to neutralize my colors is to add a warm gray or a cool gray to my color. You can do a bit of experiments to see which you prefer. Usually if I want to make my colors warmer, I will add a warm gray, and of course if I want it a cooler tone, I will add cool gray to it. Thirdly, the third way I use to get more neutrals in my paintings is to start with a painting in black and white and then glaze with color on top of that once it's dry. I did a video on how to glaze a black and white painting in acrylics. So if that's something you would like to look into some more, I'll put a link to that. As well as using neutrals in my work, another thing that I'm very interested in my work is to stay loose and paint more loose. And I know a lot of you have a similar wish in your painting style. So I made a free guide called 5 Proven Ways to Loosen Up Your Painting Style. It's a PDF guide that you can download with 5 clear steps that you can start taking today to start painting looser. So grab the free guide. I will put a link to it just under this video. So thank you, Sarah, and thank you to everyone else who posts comments and share my videos. It really means a lot to me, and I try and give a reply to everyone. I'm doing my best, but the channel is growing, and if I missed out on a question or a comment, I'm sorry, but I'm trying my best to get to everyone. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.